Let's focus on mastering AI agent collaboration. AI isn't replacing you, it's teaming up with you. In this module, you'll learn how to work effectively with AI in your daily customer support tasks. Understanding this collaboration is key to enhancing your performance. AI agent collaboration means working hand in hand with AI and not against it. This partnership allows us to deliver faster, smarter, and more personalized customer experiences. AI helps with repetitive tasks, freeing you to focus on more complex issues. Together, we enhance support and customer satisfaction. When you and AI work together, the benefits show up fast. AI saves time by drafting responses and learns from your feedback to improve over time. Let's break down how AI agent collaboration looks in real time. AI suggests replies, you choose the best fit, and you give feedback to train the AI. You won't be alone in this. We're here to help you feel confident using AI tools in your role. Next, you'll get hands-on with AI. Real training helps you become comfortable and effective with AI suggestions. Your feedback fuels AI improvement. Every correction you make helps the system become smarter and more efficient. To reflect your evolving role, we'll update our quality standards. This includes how you work with AI to enhance customer support. Let's recap what makes great AI agent collaboration. AI is your teammate, not your replacement, and your input shapes smarter systems. You're ready to start working with AI like a pro. Let's turn automation into our customer support team superpower.